Okay, hey Rob.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna be able to go up a solid 6 inches and have tons of room to work with that parking
Okay,
brake
I'll just do a
cable.
little longer bump this time.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yep. I like it. Let's
I think so. Really.
oh, we're good.
This thing could probably come out.
Okay, yeah, fish that out if you can. There we go.
Perfect. Here, let me grab. Then you do your little fishing expedition down there. Let me, there we go. Perfect. We're out.
Okay, awesome. And if the other clamp is down there, Garrett, go ahead and grab that, and then he can keep the other clamp, and he can keep it with the.
That's with this?
Yes. Okay. Let's
That
say
seems so fluffy.
it is. Okay, Rob, let's do another one of those long bumps.
Longer bump. Here we
Yeah. I like that. Okay, now let's see if we can, if I can disconnect that park brake cable.